From AI and tech innovations
to digital culture and tech careers,
we decode it all. My name is Rhonajoy Koome, a software engineer.
My name is Mwikali, a data scientist.
My name is Kilonzi, a senior software engineer.
And I'm Mongina, a data scientist, and together we are
Global Tech Sailors. Join us and let's sail these uncharted waters of tech together.
Hi guys, welcome back to our podcast. If you're new here, we really thank you so much for coming to our channel. My name is Rhonajoy Koome, a software engineer and a host here at Global Tech Sailors. I'm so happy to have you guys back because I think it's been a minute. But now we are back. We just had to take a bit of time to put our house in order, but now we can say we are back. So without further ado, I want to introduce my host with me. So I'll start with my dear here. Please carry on.
Thank you, Rona. Hi, everyone. My name is Mwikali, preferably Mwikali. I am a data scientist and a co-host here at Global Tech Sailors. Over to you.
Hi guys, my name is Kilonzi. I am a senior software engineer, site reliability engineering, and all things tech. Global Tech Sailors host and co-founder. Happy to be here.
Hi guys, I am still amazing. I am Mongina. I am a data scientist and a host at Global Tech Sailors. Nice to be back. Hope you enjoyed this episode.
Awesome. So good to hear that all of you guys have been well. Yeah. So we sat down and thought, what's the best way to come back? Not just come back, but come back in an interesting, fun way. And we thought, what better than do a trivia? Yeah. And we're not just we're not just doing a trivia for the sake of it, guys. We are competing for how many dollars, guys? $200.
Hey.
So our episode today is going to be a tech trivia. And the person who is going to be facilitating that, because we didn't want to have any rigs.
Yeah.
We don't want the neck scenarios, guys.
Yeah.
We thought to bring someone. He's a software engineer, he's a tech leader. You won't be able to see him right now, but you'll see him in the next episode. His name is Raphael Katana. And so for that, Katana, thank you for please, thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting us and just coming to facilitate this. So you're going to be hearing Katana's voice. He's the one who's going to be asking the questions and he's going to be our judge. So we trust that Katana is not going to be rigging votes. We want to win fairly and squarely. So at this point, I'm going to hand it over to Katana and I will say, may the best woman win. Yes.
Let's go.
Over to you, Katana.
Right. Yeah. So let's do this. Katana here. And just to assure the audience, it's going to be fair and square. No rigging, no nothing. And to make it fun, because GTS has always been fun. So the first question is going to be easy. So
when you say easy,
what is one thing that you people have in common apart from your height?
Apart from?
Your height.
Hair.
We are women.
We're software engineers.
We are software engineers.
Yeah.
We've all been.
All right. I mean, yes, I just wanted to ensure that all of you are actually software engineers.
Are we going to be raising our hands?
Or we just... No.
Yeah, if you have the answer, you can raise your hand.
Okay, nice.
And if nobody raises the hand, I'm just going to get someone on the spot.
Okay.
Right?
Good.
Because one thing for sure is that I know you all know the answers to this. You are venerated software engineers. And yes, I mean, it's going to be a very tight competition here to get this money going, right?
Yes, let's go.
Guys, I am a data scientist. In case things go south.
But yes, but...
You see people already coming up with excuses to failure.
I know. I mean, I foresaw this coming. But one thing for sure is we're in tech, so let's see how this goes.
Okay.
And one of you is actually going to walk away with $200. Are you excited?
Very
excited.
Rent is
CX5.
Dan, you think this is
Here
going to be
we
you?
come. Yes, it is.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you think this is right, of course, on the comments there, give it to Diana.
Yeah.
Sawa. Right.
Okay.
So now straight into the tech questions revolving around software engineering. Nothing out of that scope, so to speak, for fairness.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So I understand like Diana and Mwikali have like a strong background in data science, but on the side they also practice a lot in software engineering. So it's still fair.
Yes. Yes.
Cool.
Very fair.
So to start, what are microservices?
Microservices.
Yes. Yes.
We are
Rhona.
on our hands.
So, microservices are basically different services that are communicating together. So, for example, if we have a system, I'll use M-Pesa. Maybe there is a service for messaging and then there's a service for transactions. So, all these services are like doing different things, but they communicate together to form a system, a whole working together system. That is what I would say a microservice is.
I want to dispute that answer because I feel like you can't define something with the same with using the same word. So microservices are pieces of software that communicate together, forming a whole big system to
But that's
achieve
what I
a certain
said.
Yeah,
I
you
just
said
didn't
services.
choose
I said pieces
services.
of software.
Right.
Katana is right.
So in this case, honestly, she just added the word microservices in her definition, but that didn't mean that she was actually wrong. So yeah, Ron is gonna take this.
Okay.
Haters are gonna hate.
Yes.
Okay.
So now maybe this one potentially, who knows, the next contestant can get it right. But when do you prefer to use microservices over monolith architecture?
Why? Why or when?
When?
Yeah.
Use microservices when you're thinking scalability, when you're thinking interdependence between softwares and reusability of systems. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Any other advantage to add on?
No, I think that's basically
the
defined.
basic.
That's the basic definition of it because I feel like if you're building a whole big system, if you want something to be high performing and also reuse systems for other, like she mentioned something about M-Pesa, and if you're building different parts of systems in smaller parts, it makes it faster to process and also makes it easier to build on top of things and scale the application and grow the business.
True.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a smart answer. But before we get to Rhona is really onto this money, right? Yeah.
Guys, I need
good.
the money.
That's the spirit for winning, Rhona. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, but again, so when won't you use a monolith then? Or when will you prefer a monolith over the microservice?
I would use a monolithic application. I would build a monolithic application if I don't anticipate scalability, and also if the use case of the application is a bit small. Yes, or the use base is small. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Rhona had something to?
Yes. I think for the monolith, the reason why. Okay, I'll start with why. When you also want to make sure your developers, if you want your developers to code in different languages, then the only thing that makes sense is the microservice. But for the monolith, if it doesn't matter, you want to use only one language, one technology, one framework, then the monolith would work. So I just wanted to add that. I know you.
Good, because you're not taking away my answer.
Right. I mean, so right now,
Wow.
yeah, that's a good one. But to the audience,
I see you.
To the audience, just in case you joined, just to let you know, we are at a tie. So Ron and Faith have one. And our two amazing ladies have a 0 each. So that's good.
Early,
so let's see how this is going to go. Hopefully, Mwikali, this is the time you...
I hope so.
Right?
I hope so.
This one is for you, really.
Wow.
Yeah. Give me 3 advantages of using serverless functions.
What?
Just 3.
Serverless.
Yes.
Software engineers, this
Diana,
is
just to let you know, I have
Do you want to
Serverless.
explain to people what serverless
we could
functions are?
explain.
Because to help with the answer, or the teacher is not giving.
Maybe just
hints.
know serverless, but I don't know functions.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I understand serverless.
Give us an example.
Well, so if I give you the example, then you're definitely going to get the
Right?
answer straight.
I'll go.
Yeah,
Let me go.
Yeah,
Hey.
yeah.
I think for serverless functions, I would give an example for like lambda function, for example.
Oh.
So
Beautiful.
if you're trying to script on something, you're scripting on something regardless of the platform.
Mm-hmm.
So that helps you to be able to. It speaks to the versatility of software
Versatility.
to be able to run different softwares across different platforms without the restriction of trying to figure out, what is the compute power of this? What's this going to work? So for me, I would say the advantages of it is versatility, making software that is platform independent, and also being able to reuse software, modularity of it.
And just to let you know,
Mm-hmm.
yes, Faith was very spot on. That is what a serverless function is.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe to add on that, scalability is also
Yes.
a thing. So
Yes.
yeah, scalability.
Now
is
we
one thing.
know.
And,
Yeah.
and it also really helps to ensure that you're not taking a lot of compute power from your
Yes.
server and
Yeah.
just, delegating that work to a serverless
Yes.
platform. Okay.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
Faith 2
Wow.
and Rona 1. And we are doing
We
well.
know.
Rent, guys. Guys, it's my landlord. It's
All
my
right,
landlord.
all right. Yeah, so we are doing very well.
Mhm.
But this one, so we want fairness here. And so in this case, I know these two people are very fast to respond, but I'm going to now direct the question to someone specific. And this one is going to go to Diana.
Uh-huh.
So what is caching?
Mm.
Catching data.
Mm-hmm.
You said catching.
Caching.
Depends is why I studied at Kisii County.
Yes. You see people.
I'll just give an explanation to it. So assuming you are developing a system
Yeah.
and you have come up with, you search. See, everyone searches on Google.
Yes.
Then at some point you want to clear the history. That clearance of that history of what you've been searching is what cached data is, like removing what you have been doing on your browser or on your Google search and all that.
Mhm.
I've
That's
gotten
good.
that.
That's good. But
Yeah.
so now give me 3 types of caching mechanisms in software engineering. Could be in Django if you build anything with Django, or generally, or
Okay.
even in Python.
I'll pass it to Mwikali.
Good.
Wait,
But I have gotten that
Is
one.
that another
Please
question
give me
or
my marks
is that
on
another
that.
question?
Yeah, that's another
If I
question.
answer, do I get a point?
Yes.
Okay.
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 Let's roll
So
it.
I have a
can't
point.
even
I have a
remember.
point, Katana. Right?
Yeah, you explained
thank
well.
you.
You
Can
have
I-
a point.
Is it okay to
Yeah,
add?
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
to
you
the-
can add, but
Yeah.
again, your point will
Right now,
come
the
in if you give
question
me
is
the 3
on
types of
caching.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I name
Come on,
one,
Alex.
do I get any?
No.
I
Get
have to name
everything.
3.
Or whoever will get the most,
Okay.
then sure,
Takes-
they'll take the point.
Okay.
So I want 3, but if let's say you get 1 and Mwikali gets 2, yeah.
Which Mwikali?
Let me try. I'm trying. I don't even know, but I have to try. There is a frequently used mechanism. I don't know the right title for
So
it.
what you are pointing at
Mhm.
is somewhat
Sounds
good
more like a
point.
use case, not
yeah. So
a.
she's talking about the LRU, the LRU cache.
Yes.
But in this context, I'm speaking about not the specific, but
Mhm.
rather
the
like
types.
the overall types of caching mechanisms.
Types.
So I'll give you one example: the in-memory cache.
Sasa hii umesema na ndio nilikuwa nataka kusema.
Wacha.
Yeah, that's actually what I wanted to say.
Really?
Yeah, because I wanted to say there's the in-memory caching, there's reference caching, because, for example, if you are building a system and you want, instead of users, you see like the way you use, you build a system that loads maybe thousands of data.
Mhm.
So when you use maybe like a data table and you want to load the first 100 or the first 10, that you can program the software in such a way that in memory, by default, that will be the first thing that loads. So that way, you don't have to query the database all over again to have that
Okay,
come
so
up,
if
for
you
example.
if you actually wanted to tell me
But
the
she
in-memory
didn't
cache,
say.
what's the other name for the in-memory cache then?
I don't know.
Yeah, so
I think we
So
can
you
move to the
didn't want
next
to
question.
tell her,
Guys,
yes.
I got
I
that
think in this
question.
case,
Just
Can I
give
get
us
half
three.
point?
let's not give anyone any
Yes,
points.
0 for
We'll
everyone.
just move on.
Okay.
But yeah, Diana, at least you got
One.
Thank you.
Yeah.
explanation, right?
Yeah.
And so for this one,
Mwikali.
I'll point to Mwikali.
I hope it's easy.
Yeah, make me proud, please.
Yeah.
I will try.
I kind of feel like I should ask you something about Git, but I just wanted to stick on caching. And
Caching
I'd rather
again.
go
Caching.
to... No, let's move
no,
past that.
it's an easy one.
Okay.
You've used this a number of times.
Okay.
Probably not.
What is
Believe in
Redis?
yourself,
What is
Mwikali.
Redis.
Redis, I haven't used Redis.
You haven't used
It's a
Redis.
it's a programming language.
It's actually a database.
Yeah.
It's a
Okay.
database, but I haven't used
Service
Redis.
in
Okay.
AWS.
So
yes.
yeah, I mean, okay, in this case, Faith was fast to raise the hand. Yeah, pick that one.
But
Redis.
But
she,
Mwikali
But
has
she
said
said
it's a
that
it's a
database.
type of database
It's a-
service
mhm.
that is used in AWS. I think you should give it a try.
I've already said
I
it's
was
a type
helping
of database.
Yeah.
Not
The fact
necessarily
that I
in
haven't used
AWS.
it. Okay.
what?
Yeah, but yeah, somewhat yes. I mean, you can think
I
of
think
it
you
as
can give it to her.
No,
I
it's
can give it
okay.
to her, right?
What is it? What is it? What was the
Somewhere correct,
expected?
but
What are you looking for?
you can't explicitly say it's just used on AWS.
Mhm.
Redis is not AWS specific, right? It's more of a caching system. You can think of it,
Okay.
and then you can use it literally on any other platform if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah, any server.
Okay.
Okay.
So should I?
Let's move.
Maybe
But
just-
no, you can ask her another one.
I had more of
Don't
a
give her.
follow-up question on that.
On
It's
Redis.
still on caching, Katana.
No, not really.
Personally, I can't even remember the last time I built.
Okay.
It's the same.
Okay, let me move away from caching then.
Yeah.
But I wanted to ask maybe two alternatives of Redis. But being that generally most of us maybe haven't
Let's
used
move.
Redis, let's move, right?
Yes.
So this one is easy. Still
So to
Mwikali.
Mwikali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. What is XML in full?
What?
No,
Just
this is
a
for
minute.
Mwikali Faith, please.
It's a type of data that is returned. Query markup language. I can't even remember I can't remember the
The X.
the X.
Okay.
But I think the ML stands for markup language. Does it though?
Yeah.
So I can't remember the X. Query something.
Okay.
I can't remember in full.
Yeah, that's fair. I mean, we all kind of forget.
Faith had her hand up.
Yeah.
I was
They
just
don't
checking
want to
around to see if Rona also had her up
I
just
don't-
before she
also
complains.
don't remember the X.
I can't
also.
remember the X.
Give me the chance, please. It's
I'm trying as much as possible.
Extensive.
I'm trying as much as possible to ensure that Faith doesn't win.
No. It's
It's
okay.
okay.
It's okay. We don't
fair.
mind.
Yeah.
So
So
Faith,
Faith,
Extensive.
Extensible markup language.
so
Yes.
Faith got it.
Yeah.
all right. So we are.
Faith has three.
Gonna- three.
Faith is now leading the pack.
Okay.
Yeah, and Rona following suit. And
I
of
have
course,
one.
Yeah.
yes,
Am I following?
And Diana also has one.
yeah.
Okay,
And
okay.
Mwikali also has one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Nobody has a zero here.
Yeah.
That's one thing about GTS. We all score something, right?
Of course. Of
Yeah.
course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not
Okay,
to
cool.
Next
console.
question.
You
I'm
are-
so anxious. Ask the
Yeah, this one, all of us, honestly, all of us will be able to answer this, right?
Why are you raising
So I'm not
your
pointing it to
hand?
anyone.
Yeah.
But yeah, so list 3 testing libraries in Python.
Testing.
Libraries. Yeah, you can
Just-
call them from frameworks, whatever you want to call them. That's fine.
In-
But in Python,
In Python.
yes,
Python.
3.
What if I name one? I have one and I don't want it to go. I don't want it to be
Yeah,
said.
I'm a .NET developer. I don't know why
Okay.
they're asking about Python.
Rona, take that.
PyTest.
Mhm.
That's the only one I know. Because Jest is JavaScript,
Yeah,
yeah? And
nimekumbuka.
Mocha is JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Mhm. So just to let you know, the excuse that Faith is giving is invalid. She
Yeah.
has developed with Python.
Yes, but guys, I moved on. Now I'm a C# developer. I do
I
.NET
said
and
Python.
Microsoft.
It has to
So
count.
we have PyTest. Anyone want to take this
Cypress.
from?
Cypress
Cypress is
JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Yeah, JavaScript.
You can give me points for naming
So,
two.
Katana, why don't you hint Basi? Like give us
No,
a
you can't hint
You can
on a
hint, you
time.
can-
no,
you-
like
you
give us
can
a
just-
letter.
Okay, so
Give
the thing
us
is
a
this.
first
The thing is
letter.
this. No one has been able to. We were specific on Python, and you are the only person who's gotten something. So we'll
Give
give
her
you
the point and let's move.
Yeah,
Yes.
so 2 points, right?
Tell us what are the other ones. I want to learn. I'm here to learn, not to compete.
Hey.
Okay, so to give you a hint, the inbuilt one, so you have to install PyTest, right? What about the inbuilt one in Python? Very common.
It starts
There
with
is a test framework built in within
Hey,
Python.
guys,
It starts
I'm
with
safe.
what?
You.
I'm a .NET developer.
It starts with you.
you.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
Unit test, whatever.
Exactly.
Ah,
Yeah. It's
What?
the
But
inbuilt
it's a
library.
You need test.
It's a framework.
framework.
No. You can think of it just as a library.
but
Why is it a
umesema
framework?
framework.
I said a
Library and
library.
frameworks.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the other one? You said you are
Three.
Integration test.
What's
The other one, no. Integration test is
Those are
those are
different
types
it's
of
a mechanism.
type.
It's a
Yeah.
mechanism,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. The other one will start with a D. But anyway, because of time,
okay, sawa.
let's move on.
Yeah.
And so because someone here shouted PyTest, and of course, even with the other testing frameworks in other languages, there is a concept called parameterization. Hey, kizungu shida hapo.
My lord.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So what does that do? Parameterization. Kizungu ndio shida.
Parameterization.
Parameterization.
Is it like a parameterization?
Yes.
Okay.
It's more of how you parameterize kind of the tests.
This is another question.
Of course.
So you're asking what is parama?
Yeah. And how you achieve that in testing generally.
Yeah, I think parameterization in testing, it refers to the process in which you mock functional units of an application by giving them actual values of the initial parameters of the same functions to mock the functionality of that method.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yeah, that is absolutely correct.
All right.
And-
That is what happens in testing.
Yeah.
Yes, but
not
you
all
don't always
not
do
all
that.
testing libraries have that capability. So a good example in Python, PyTest is really good on parameters and which just helps you on reusability, right?
Mm.
Yes. So Faith has a 4 here.
Faith utanipeleka lunch.
Wow.
Yeah.
Guys, that's for my rent.
beautiful.
Let's get to the next question.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Quick, quick.
Yeah, so the easiest ones now. And I feel like I'm going
You
to be
started
blocking.
with the harder ones.
No,
No,
they're
it's
just
okay.
that
Let's
easy?
continue. Let's
Okay.
continue.
they're just balanced. So,
Timer.
but this one I'll be kind of blocking some people off.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so it's a statement because if I ask the question straight on, you'll all be able to give me the statement back. So
Okay.
I just reversed it a little bit. So what Git command do you use to track changes line by line? So ideally here, you're trying to find who broke the code.
It's status.
You are trying to find who
Oh.
broke the code. So let's say something messed up, you're in a team, and there's a command that will be able to
See
use
all
to
the
get like
commits.
Config.
line by line, everything, and then pinpoint who actually
Git config.
did.
Check.
Yes, Mwikali.
You're checking for commits, right?
You are checking for everything.
You're checking for everything.
Who is the author? It will give you like the author, the commit
time.
message.
Okay, git
time.
log one line. Git log.
In a log.
That's a good
commits.
trial. But that's not pretty much it.
Oh my God. Git order. Is there anything like that?
Like,
What?
There isn't anything like Git author, is it? Right?
Is it
This one is too easy. I've
a
left it for
command that we
people.
interact with?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a command that you interact with, especially if, let's say, for you are more of senior engineers, and many times when you have like these junior engineers come in, they do a lot of bad stuff. So sometimes you just want to point out who actually did
Can
the
you
bad
just
comments.
give us the
Status.
first letter?
B.
Can't be
It's
Git
B.
state.
Git base, rebase.
No.
No.
Rebase is R.
Rebase is like
Like you're
margin.
starting with R.
Git branch.
Rebase is going back.
Branch, really?
Branch is going
But
to
it's just
another
Not quite.
branch.
But that's a good try. I mean, I'm happy
Can
that
we
you
move
really
to the next
pushing this.
one? Because
What?
this one we're not getting.
We are
Tell us
not
the answer.
getting
Thank you.
katana.
Try.
It's too easy to for us to do.
Yeah, definitely.
So just
Definitely.
tell us the answer.
Oh, no.
What's the
I think
answer?
Because of time.
what this is
Yeah.
communicating is that you work in good teams.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
That we don't
nobody
need to
messes
do
up a thing,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
correct.
Your trust is at
Yes.
a very good
So
level.
what's the
What's the
answer?
answer?
Get blame.
Blame.
Yeah.
Okay, I've never
I've
written
never
that.
I've
done
never
that.
even used
But
Have you
I
used
have
it?
learned.
I swear.
I trust my
use
team,
it?
guys. I trust my team.
Why haven't you used it?
But now I
Okay,
know.
now we
Okay,
know.
Blame.
Let's move.
Yeah, right. So we are doing pretty well.
Uh-huh.
And so as we finalize now,
Yeah.
I
Uh-huh.
think we can take like 2 questions and then
Yeah.
just finish it up there.
Yeah.
Sure.
Right?
Sure.
So
Yeah.
yes. What is Git rebase?
Reverting back
Git
to
what?
the original
Rebase.
line of code that you are in. Like unarudi nyuma. You are going back to where you are.
Not quite. Yes, Mwikali.
I'd say it's a margin strategy, but you're kind of like going back to the original.
Yes, Katana, I've gotten it.
No. When you speak of going back to the original, that is not quite.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me
You're
explain it.
prioritizing the current.
So, like
branch.
Mwikali, you are somewhere
Yeah.
towards the correct answer, but
Okay,
when
let
you
me
bring in
explain
the
it.
going back, that's a problem.
Okay.
So I mean, I still want Mwikali to win this, really.
Okay. Mwikali, it seems you.
I'd say again,
Yeah.
it's a margin strategy.
Mm-hmm.
Rebase. I've used it juicy, but I can't even explain.
Yeah, I mean, I'm giving this point to Mwikali, but yeah, let Faith.
If you
Just
Okay,
finish
so
the
for
other
me-
part.
Yeah.
For me, it's more of a control-Z undo, but as a merging strategy to prioritize the current branch. Or so
Mhm.
yeah. So for the incoming changes, you're doing away with the
Yes,
incoming
that's
changes.
what I was saying. Like we are going
doing away with
back
the
to
incoming
what we
changes?
already had.
No.
Let me explain it. So
Okay.
we are writing code as
Yes,
a team.
Uh-huh.
We have pushed it to GitHub.
Mhm.
We don't want these changes that have been there are there.
Yeah.
We want to go back to what was originally there. So we already matched the work. So you are trying to skip the step that is currently deployed. We are going to a previous deployment. That
It's
we
like a
had.
rollback kind of thing.
Yeah.
It's
Hiyo ni mimi nimepata katana.
it's not more of a rollback. I mean, or like whatever,
Tell us.
Yes,
whatever,
that is what it
Let
is.
us just tell us
whatever
That
Dan
I
is
have
saying.
gotten.
Like the good
I
thing
am
is that
100%
most of you
sure.
have a bit of it, right?
Yeah.
But there is this 1-2 words you add in that
Yeah.
makes everything wrong.
Okay, tell
they're
us.
going back.
Tell
Yes,
us the
let's go
correct
to Rona as we
thing.
finish
Let me
up.
try.
Yes, Rona, please. But the point is for Mwikali though.
What? No need for me to
No,
try.
just try. It's a good thing to try.
Why
Just
am
tell
I
us your
trying?
truth so that you can have one more question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm. All right. Let's keep that. I'll tell you offset.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Let's continue. Do
All
we have
right.
another question?
Yes. The
Fine.
last
I think
one.
you could tell the audience
Yeah, you could
so that they know I was correct, but you denied me the grade.
Okay, so when you
Yes.
think about it, it's not you. So you see, like the better part of explanation, it's more of forwarding the head of that particular comic history. You're bringing your code to speed with the head. Right?
Okay.
So that's the thing.
So it's
Yeah.
not like
So you're not
Awesome.
reverting back. When you think
You're
of reverting,
forwarding.
then you should be
Good.
thinking of git reset and
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you.
Okay.
yeah.
Thank
So
you.
there we go. Anyway, people, we promise that we'll add them another question, but things are getting hotter here. So Yeah, we have 4 points for
That's
Faith.
it. No more question. No more one question.
That's how it gets to
You
be.
can answer one. You
Wow.
can ask one.
That's
You can ask one.
One final
final
One that is
yes.
too common.
And very
No,
easy.
no. One
And
that is-
very easy.
the one that is too common.
A git one.
And Katana,
Not get
I
to
think
it.
from where you're placed,
No,
you're
a
not seeing my
terminal
hand.
command.
No,
I
seeing your
don't
hand.
think you're
I'm
seeing my
your
hand, by the
Okay.
way. I keep doing this, but you don't call me. Okay, you go on.
The most common one. Maybe this will be for the what is HTML?
Hypertext
Hypertext language.
Another one.
Hypertext markup language.
I mean, you even took time to respond to that.
I feel like
Julie Sama,
you
this
want
is
to
for
support
Diana.
someone. You're supporting. Why am I not getting the same support, Katana?
Calm down. Calm
It's
down.
okay. You get a chance in the next episode.
All right, so it's time to announce our winner, right?
Yeah. We
Okay.
all know who the
Yeah, but before that, do we all
Yeah.
believe this was fair and square?
No.
Okay.
Anyway,
Yeah.
it was
For me,
fair.
it's
I have
made me
been
realize
learning.
that sometimes we ignore most of the basic things and we
Yeah.
don't really pay attention to like definitions. Like I've never really thought. I know how to create a microservice in different languages. I know how to make a branch clean up Git repository.
I
and all
do
these
Git
kind of
rebase
things
every now
all the
and
time.
again.
But I never really think about, like Mwikali said, the actual.
And just to give the audience the hint, do you think this kind of creates the baseline of the next conversation?
Yes,
To some point, right?
We have an episode coming up on
Yeah.
AI and how it has affected us because
Right, perfect. And so the winner
Vibe
of this
coders.
episode, the winner of this episode is Faith.
Yay.
Walks away with $200.
$100.
Can you bring it?
Congratulations.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to spoil the...
I want to thank my mother for raising a bright kid.
Oh, yeah,
Thank
and
you.
it's real, by the way. I think I can pass the money to...
Yes,
who?
please.
To
You can
Faith.
give
to Rona
me,
so
I
that
pass.
people can see it, right?
But
Yeah.
yeah.
True. Over here. That's the money. Pass it to Faith.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I can't believe.
Yeah, just pass the money. You can feel it, by the way. It's real. You can even give Diana to
Just
feel
show
it.
them,
Just
show
give
them.
Like it was
That's
real.
No, please.
Yeah. Diana, you can feel the money. It was real.
Can I feel it again?
The Agent 2K guys,
Congratulations,
please don't call my
Faith.
number.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Faith. Yes.
Thank
Right.
you. Thank
Right.
you, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, and just to let you know, yes, the half part of it was more of the USD in its denomination. And
Show
then,
them.
Very important.
yeah,
Very
the
important.
other part of it was Kenya shilling. So
Yeah.
just to ensure that if Faith doesn't know how to
At
convert the
least I
money,
can buy lunch.
she at least has like quick money for some
No,
snacks
no,
there.
guys, don't call me.
Right, there we go.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank
And
you.
Thank you for the trial. And to our runners-up, Rona, that was a good one. And to
I don't
our-
feel happy, but
Yes, you should be happy.
Sure.
Yeah,
And
we will
for
do better.
the data
Calm
scientists
down.
in the room, I still want to implore you
Yeah.
to come back to the life of software engineering,
Yeah.
All
right?
right.
But next time, I'll be asking you people about NumPy and Pandas and all that.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you're going to take it home, right?
Yeah.
See you next time.
Bye.
So thank you so much, Katana. Thank you so much. And to our audience, thank you for watching. I hope it's been fun. I hope you've learned something and see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Subscribe.